Hello everybody, Keo here from Jake&Keo. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of my M37F BB Tac Skorpion spring-loaded gun, but I just wanted to do a test fire and an unboxing video. So, we'll just take off the first thing, have the instruction manual, Airsoft gun. It's from, yeah, you know what I mean, whatever that is. I don't know. It's a hop-up version. I'm not sure what that means, but oh well. Obviously I do not have this version, or the attachments for it at least. I wish I did, that would be so cool. But, let's just get into the gun. Wow. That's pretty big too, that's my hand. So it comes with, see, well, looks like a pretty good amount of BBs can fit in there. It's a pretty heavy clip, pretty cool actually. Oh, awesome! It's one of the clips wherever you pull it down, and then they go into the clip, and you can shake it down, and then they all reload again. That's so cool. I love those clips. Well, yeah, it comes with this awesome clip. That's pretty good. The cocking lever, whatever it is, you know what I mean. Just screwed in right there. Comes with a little pack of BBs. Maybe about 20. No, not 20. Like 60, maybe. 60 BBs, I'm not sure. Not really good at, like, just mental counting. And then the gun. Oh god. This thing has pretty good weight. Looks really nice, though. It's all plastic. Everything besides the stock. This is metal wire. The stock, it's metal. That's pretty cool. Retractable. That's where you put the clip. Okay, trigger. That's the safety. Cool. Safety. This is the clip release. That's the sight. Sight doesn't look half bad. Let's look up down it. I mean, it's not a bad sight. It's a basic sight. It's not that bad actually. That's where the actual bolts are flat of the real gun. Let's put it together real quick. Get this. It's just screwed in nice and tight. And you can tuck it. I'm not going to do so right now, but that's where you tuck it. Get the clip. Let's actually load this clip right now. The BBs that it comes with. I'm going to be doing a testing fire anyways. 1 second while I get my knife. Okay, got the knife. Just gonna step on it because I don't have the other hand. Okay, 1 second while I cut open the bag. Okay, got it. Cheap BBs, but I mean, they're okay. Let's just get them. No, I don't want to just pour them out. I'm gonna load the clip now. I'm sorry, 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay, the clip holds 14 BBs. Completely fold up. Okay, let's put this baby in. You just firmly push it in until it clicks, obviously. Like all airsoft guns. There. In there. Now, let's go test it. Okay. So, just for this purpose, I'm going to put the stock back. I'll test it when I'm using the stock and when I'm not. So, hang on, I need to put the stock in there. That's in there. Okay. I'm going to go get a cereal box. Okay, guys. Let's go test it now. I'm gonna go to my backyard and test this thing. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on this chair. Hang on. Oh crap. There. I'm just gonna put it in the chair. Okay. We got our Skorpion. 1 second while I cock it. Hang on, guys. Cocked and ready. Okay. Now, I'm not sure where it hit. I was just aiming at the box. Maybe we should use something that's already hit to just test accuracy and stuff. Let's just use this cup. Okay, here's cup. Okay. And cock the gun again. Okay. Now I need to do it again. It's hitting it. Okay. So it hit it. Not sure where. I saw the BB fly. These are also cheap BBs, so that could also be a problem. But, I mean, this is still a really good gun. Now let's try it with the stock. If I can take this thing off 1 second. Okay, I got it off. Now I can't really use it with aiming, but I can still use it when I cock it. Okay, the stock, definitely has more stability, yes. But overall, you cannot aim. If this was an automatic SMG, then it would be extremely good because you could just see where the BBs were going. But anyways, it does not work very well, since you cannot aim if it is this gun. But it's still an awesome thing. Makes it more realistic. Anyways, I give this gun a 7 out of 10. Well, 4 semi-automatic guns, or 4, you know what I mean. Non-automatic, just semi-guns. I would give this a 7 out of 10. It's 200 FPS, pretty good. And yeah, so this has been my video. Whatever, I'll see you guys later.